Hi friends! So today we are unboxing the Spiritual Guru February box. Now if you're new to Spiritual Guru, you can subscribe over at spiritualgurubox.com, and every 22nd they send out a box full of amazing goodies. Like, I'm not even joking. Every month I get so excited to get my box, and I don't know, I love each and every box. It's like Christmas 12 times a year, not just one. So let's dive in. Okay, so when you open it, this is what you get. So let me go. So this box's theme is anti-stress, and it has a retail value of $111. So if you subscribe, you get them for $49.95. So that's a bargain. So we have Tibetan Tingsha bells. Pretty sure I butchered that. We have an opalite necklace, an opalite sphere, a Spiritual Guru Just Breathe spray, and a Spiritual Guru Zen candle. We love their candles. And this box also includes a gemstone bath bomb. Oh, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Okay, now every month they include an intuitively picked card, right? So this month it's from the Moonology Oracle deck. That one right there. And so my card, look at this. I absolutely love the moon, and this deck is absolutely beautiful. So I got the new moon eclipse. Expect powerful change. That's my, well, that's exciting. Okay, so for their spiritual candles, Spiritual Guru candles, they include cards, right? And that's their story. So every candle has a stone, right? And I guess it's exciting because you won't know what stone you get until you burn the whole candle. So I'm always not very patient, and I get super excited. Well, anyway, they include a card with information. My cat, Winnie, with information regarding what stone you might have received in your candle. And my cat keeps walking in front of the video. Okay, so, ooh, I think this is the opalite sphere. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm telling you, every month, like, all the items are amazing. All of them. Yes. So, the opalite sphere, one of our favorite things about opalite is that it helps with adjusting to major change. Well, that goes hand in hand with my card. It assists in the transition by helping eliminate fears and worries. It is a good stone for those who have trouble sleeping, are going through major change or shift, or are under stress. So basically, this will now be my new favorite stone ever. Okay. Now this is the Just Breathe spray. It has purified water, witch hazel, glycerin, and essential oils. It's a travel size bottle. Oh, and the essential oils that they used, oh, that smells divine. Help with relaxation. Plus it's a travel size, so that's a win. Okay. So this would be the opalite necklace. Oh, that is very pretty. And long. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at the colors. It's so pretty. And it's very long, like if I wear it, yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh, I love it. That's very pretty. I'll just leave that on. Okay, so this would be the Tibetan Tingsha bells. Now, I do know I don't know how to use these at all. However, oh my. Wow. I did notice that there's a video on how to use these in Spiritual Guru on Facebook. So if you're clueless like me, look up their Facebook page and you'll see. I just don't remember how, but that's very pretty. They're not super heavy, but they're not light by any means either. And then check out that. That's very pretty. And so the tingsha bells are traditionally used during meditation to reduce stress. You can use yours before and after meditation to help clear the energy of the room or during times of stress, as the sound is believed to have a calming effect on the mind and the body. So once more, that. I'm very interested in learning more about that. Okay, so I don't know what's in here. Oh, the gemstone bath bomb. That has to be it. Because the other one's a candle and I see it. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, so I can't open it because I'm sure it'll just go everywhere. But you can see the gemstone right there. Well, and that's a good size bath bomb. Like, it's almost the size of my hand. Wow. Okay, so I had to pause because of course my dogs choose this moment to get all hyper. So this is what the stone kind of looks like. That's a big size too. So I'm pretty excited. Okay. So that was the bath bomb. And then this is the Zen Grounding and Stress Relief Candle. Oh, I almost dropped it. Now look at how I love the packaging, the label. Okay. Now, the Spiritual Guru candles are probably one of my favorites, but I always struggle with opening them. There we go. Ha! Oh. Wow. I love that smell. I don't know what it is though. But it smells really good, and look at the inside. Oh my God. You guys just really need to get this box only so you can smell this candle. I can't pinpoint what that smell is, but it's so good. Oh, I love it. As always, I'm telling you, my Spiritual Guru candles are probably like my favorite item from the whole Spiritual Guru like store. They always smell so good. I'm curious to see what stone I get this month. Okay. Okay, so of course, they have an explanation about the candle. And it says, our Zen candle was created to help clear negative energies while helping to bring about balance. Talk about win. And this month's fragrance oil blend features a special blend of dragon's blood. That's the smell. I knew I loved it. I have so many incense, like dragon's blood incense. It's not even funny. So it says, use while meditating, visualizing, or to clear any space of unwanted energy. Right there. And here's everything in this month's box. It's amazing. Like I said, you can subscribe over at spiritualgurubox.com to get yours. I promise you, you will not be sorry. See you next month.